Use this particular board to show you practically how YouTube do recommend videos. A lot of people just upload videos on YouTube, but they don't even know how YouTube recommend videos. That's why they feel like if they should post videos immediately on YouTube, YouTube should hurriedly recommend their videos. But I'm going to show you like practical way how YouTube recommend videos on YouTube. I've stayed on YouTube for the past 3 years and I've been able to monetize 3 successful channels that are making money. And with all of these ups and downs that I've been able to go through, I finally know the exact way that YouTube recommend videos. So YouTube is not recommending your videos. You have to stay woke, because after this particular illustration, I'm going to also tell you 1 or 2 things that you should do for YouTube to be able to recommend your studio, either from your Google and either from your YouTube studio or every other places that I'm going to be mentioning, and that is why you don't need to miss any part of this video. But the first part is, how does YouTube recommend videos? So let's start with my board. So I have to bring this close so that you can see everything I'm going to be talking. Now, this is your channel, right? And this channel, this is Vibe with Sonia's channel, okay? Vibe with Sonia's channel. And since this is Vibe with Sonia's channel, Vibe with Sonia always upload videos on YouTube, right? Now, if Vibe with Sonia upload a video relating to vlog, now let's put vlog because I have a what? I have a vlog channel. If Vibe with Sonia upload a video relating to vlog, how does YouTube recommend this video? Now, this is a human here, okay? So let's use this as human illustration so that you guys can see. And this is the first person, this particular human here now, is the first person that watched Vibe with Sonia channel. So immediately this vlog was dropping, this person clicked this particular vlog to watch. And as this person is watching, this person watched this vlog. If Sonia uploaded a vlog of 20 minutes, this person at least watched this vlog to even 3 minutes or 4 minutes, you understand, or 4 minutes. So let's just assume 3 minutes safe. And since this person watched, this same person here did not only watch, right? This same person liked the video, and this same person did what? Share the video. And this same one person did what? Comment on the video. What did you think YouTube will do with this person? It simply means this particular vlog that Vibe with Sonia have is interesting for this person to be able to watch, like, share, and also drop a comment. Now, YouTube will do what? Since this person has liked this video, YouTube will furthermore push this particular same video to this person that is here. Okay? YouTube will also push this video to this person that is here. And immediately YouTube push this video further. You can see that from one person now, YouTube push this video to what? To 2 persons. And this person watch as well. And this person did not only watch even the 3 minutes. This person watched at least 20 minutes vlog. This person watched to up to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And this other person watched up to like 5 minutes. And they did not only watch, they like, they comment. Let's assume that they did not share because everybody will not share. You understand? But they watch, they like, and they drop a comment. Now, what will YouTube do now? From this end, YouTube will be able to shift what? To shift your what? The video to the next person that is here. And YouTube will be able to do what? Shift this same video to the next person that is here. And on this other end, YouTube will still do what? YouTube will still shift this video to this person that is here. You get my point? It will shift this video to this person that is here. And once YouTube is shifting this video to this person that is here, it simply means this video is going to continue to have views. And if this video is continuing to have views, YouTube will keep recommending the video. This is where recommendation comes. YouTube will continue to recommend this particular vlog that Vibe with Sonia put out here. Because why? The first person has given the first impression. The first impression matters a lot. Now, let's assume on the other hand, YouTube recommend this particular video now. Let me clean this a bit, okay? Now, let's assume on this other hand, YouTube recommend this vlog to this person. And immediately this person saw this video. This person did not watch this video. This person just slide off. And this person is the first person that came in contact with this video. But immediately, this person did not watch. This person just went off of the channel. Now, what will YouTube do? YouTube will further recommend the video to what? To these 2 persons down here. And imagine that YouTube recommend these 2 videos to these 2 persons, and these 2 persons, immediately this one clicked out. And immediately this one click, this one watch to just 1 minute out of 10 minutes or out of 5 minutes. This person just watch to like 1 minute and then click out of the video. And then they just probably just drop a like for you and the rest of that. YouTube, instead of pushing this video to these other persons that are here, right? Instead of pushing this video to these other persons that are here, YouTube will do what? YouTube will retract the video from this end and then push furthermore to this person to see if this person will watch. So the moment this person have interest on that video, YouTube will push it further. But the moment this person did not have interest on that video and this person clicked out on that video, this person did not watch that video, YouTube will do what? Will retract the video. And at the end of the day, you find out that this is a bean bag. YouTube will just gradually drag your video backward because people, or the first impression that you've already gotten is what? Is negative. And they will just gradually stop recommending that video. But stop to recommend that video doesn't mean they're not still showing some parts of your video to your public. They do, but because people on YouTube are not interested in your kind of content, it will not allow YouTube to do what? Push further your video. And this is what most of you content creators, most of us content creators, this is what we are passing through. The first impression. The first person that click, this particular person, it matters a lot. And that is why I always tell you guys that the moment you upload your videos, please do not upload videos on YouTube when you are not available to help yourself. Be that number 1 person to help yourself. The first thing I've said on this YouTube street is you need to do what? You need to create a second YouTube account. Now, once you create this second YouTube account, what are you going to be doing with this YouTube account? This YouTube account is going to help you stand as this first person. So that instead of this first person coming to destroy your channel, you are going to be there to give your channel that pass mark. That pass mark that will enable you to push your content further. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now when you have this second account and you upload your video, please, if you're not available, do not upload it. That's why you check if I'm not available to watch my videos immediately. I have audience that I know that if I drop videos, they are going to watch. But the moment I'm not available, I do not bother posting. Because I also want to be this first person. I don't want the algorithm to like trash me in the bin. You understand? Then what am I going to do? Immediately I upload this video, I take my second channel immediately to watch my video. And once I take my second channel to watch my videos, immediately I do what? I like, I comment, I share. Are you seeing? Now I've done 3 things. This is not coming from my main channel. This is coming from the second channel that I have so that you don't get confused. Now once I do that, I just go and rest so that YouTube will push the video further. You understand? Now, after I like, comment, and share, I have 2 channels that I use in doing this. My 2 channels. That's why in the comment section, you always see my 2 channels dropping comments. And this is what I do on all my channels that has really helped me grow very well on this YouTube street. And the moment YouTube are pushing, and I stayed up to 1 hour, I go ahead to also help myself to share my videos to other social media platforms like Facebook, like TikTok, like YouTube, Instagram, every other social media platforms that I have. I might not put a full video there. I just put a snippet or the thumbnail, and then I put a link that will direct you to my videos, and I've been getting traffic. You understand? But before you do that, once you upload, you try your possible best to share your content to your post community. This place you're seeing posts. Some people's own are showing posts, some people's own is showing community. You understand? You share it. There is reason why YouTube put out those things there. Because why? Those people that are not in your channel, those people that have subscribed, those ones that have not subscribed, YouTube will be able to push it out to new viewers. So I share immediately to my post. And once I share immediately to my post, and then I know that I've liked and comment, the remaining one that I do is to go and rest till 1 hour before I come and share to every other of my social media platform. And there is no way I'm not going to be getting views. There is no way I'm not going to be getting that coins. So if you're still on this YouTube street, you're complaining YouTube is not recommending my videos. Why are they not recommending my videos? This is the exact thing that is happening to you. That first person that was supposed to click your videos and give you like and give you everything, was not doing the job. And now, you that is a small content creator and you're trying to grow on YouTube and you want YouTube to recommend your content, the only thing for you to do is to apply all of these things I've been able to say, so that at the end of the day, your videos are going to be getting views, and before you know, your 4,000 watchers, your 1,000 subscribers, or you getting cashing out on YouTube every single month will definitely not be a problem to you. So if you are not standing as the first intermediate person on your YouTube channel, like, why? Let me know in the comment section. This is just a simple and exact way YouTube can be able to recommend your channel without stress. You understand? And if you're still in that stage and you're battling with your YouTube channel, you've been going back and forth with your YouTube channel, and you'll be like, Vibe with Sonia, I'm tired, I'm frustrated, I don't even know what to do. This is where Vibe with Sonia comes into display for you. Because on this YouTube street, I teach you and I coach you. What do? I personally go into your YouTube channel to see what is working, what is not working, what we can minus, and what we can also add, so that you can be able to have a successful YouTube channel. You understand? With just chicken money, you can check this particular flyers that is displaying on the screen as you guys are seeing, and do what? Send us a mail at this email that is displaying on the flyer, which is faithonaja3195@gmail.com. If you have not even built channel at all, like you've not even started, you don't even know what to do, you don't even know how to do it, it's also an opportunity for you to come with us, because what do? We can help you build your channel as well from scratch. You understand? To help you check your YouTube studio settings and ensure that everything is good. A lot of people come to me and they say, Vibe with Sonia, the only thing I want to do is I just want to check my YouTube studio to see that I am okay. And if we check a lot of their YouTube studio, you find out that we have 1 or 2 errors that we're correcting. And that can also be a limitation to you. So we are also going to be setting your channel for you on how YouTube can also help you recommend your channel. And I'll be doing a full detailed tutorial on another separate videos, how all of these things work on YouTube. Send us a mail and thank me later. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like I say in my videos. I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Help YouTube to enable YouTube recommend your videos. Bye for now. I love you. Mwah.